Hariom children, in last class we learned how to read the time to the exact minute. Okay, so before going to the next exercise, first we should recall what we had learned in previous class. Okay, so in a clock, where do we write 12? We write 12 on the top of the clock, and below we write 6, 3 and 9. In between we write 1, 2, 4 and 5. Over here 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay children, so in between we can see, okay, so in between we can see 5 minutes. So it is 0, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and then it will be 5 minutes. Understood children? So after completing 5, it will be 6 minutes, 7, 8, 9, and here it will be 10 minutes. So 5 minutes over here, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and over here it will be 60 minutes. So we had learnt it. So in between there are 5 lines, that is here 0, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and when it comes to 1 it will be 5 minutes. If it is here 30, here 31, 32, 33, 34 and then 35. Okay children, so let us see now page number 179. Okay children, page number 179. In the bottom of the page, can you see? I can do it. Yes. Now write the time to the exact minutes. Write the time to the exact minutes. Look at the first one. First one. Here it is. The shorthand is at 11 and the long hand is at 4. Okay, so can you see here in between there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is, so after 15, how many minutes it is? If the long hand is at 3, it is 15 minutes. After 15, 16, 17, 18. What is the time here? 11 o'clock, 18 minutes. Understood children? So after 15, the long hand is at, after 15 it is 16, 17, 18. So the exact time is, 11 o'clock, 18 minutes. Okay, write it down children. What is the time? 11 o'clock, 18 minutes. Look at the second one. Look at the second one children. Second one. Second one, the long hand is almost closest to the, the short hand is almost close to the, towards 12. Okay, it is almost closest towards to 12 and the long hand is at, and the long hand 1, 2, 3, 4 and the long hand is at 2. So here it is 11 o'clock. After what is, if it is at 11, how many minutes? It is 55. After 55, it is 56, 57. So the time is 11 o'clock, 57 minutes. What is the time? 11 o'clock, 50, after 56, it is After 55, it is 56, 57. So the time is 11 o'clock, 57 minutes. Understood, children? Okay, it is not 12. If it is 12 o'clock 57 minutes, it would have reached almost 1 o'clock. So it is 11 o'clock. It is not still 12 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock 57 minutes. Finished, children. Third one. Third one. The shorthand is at 8. The shorthand is at 8, and the longhand is at between 1 and 2. It is longhand is between 1 and 2. If the longhand is at 1, it is 5 o'clock, 5 minutes. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the time? So it is 8 o'clock. Horse hand, it is at 8. So it is 8 o'clock, and how many minutes? After 5 minutes, it is 6, 7, 8 minutes. Understood, children? It is 8 o'clock, 8 minutes. Okay, 08 is 8. So 8 o'clock, 8 minutes is the time. Fourth one. Are you understanding it, children? So in between 1 and 2, it is after 5 minutes, it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood, children? But the long hand is at 6, 7, 8. So the time is 8 o'clock, 8 minutes. Understood, children? So next one, fourth one. Fourth one. Again, the shorthand is between 8 and 9. The shorthand is at 8 and 9. Is between 8 and 9, and the long hand is at between 7 and 8. The long hand is at between 7 and 8. Okay, children. So here the shorthand is between 8 and 9. So the time is 8 o'clock, and how many minutes it is? It is the next one. So 35. If it is at 7, it is 35 minutes, and one number next to that. Okay, one line next to that. After 35, it is 36. So it is 36 minutes. 8 o'clock, 36 minutes. 36 minutes. It is 8 o'clock, 36 minutes. Understood, children, how to read the time exactly, exact minutes? So in between the numbers 1 and 2, it is 5 minutes. 2 and 1, or 12 and 1, it is 5 minutes. So in between these two numbers, there are 5 minutes. So after 25, it will be, if it is 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. Understood, children? So in between 5 and 6, there are 5 minutes. Understood? Okay. Now, let us, and after this, we had also learned what is antimeridiem and postmeridiem. What is antimeridiem and postmeridiem? So what is antimeridiem? So antimeridiem is, or antimeridiem or AM is from the midnight till the noon. Okay, children? So what is antimeridiem? So antimeridiem is from the midnight, from midnight from midnight 12 to 12 noon, it is AM. Okay children, so from midnight 12 to afternoon noon, it is AM. So after 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is PM, post meridian. So midnight to noon, it is AM, and after noon to midnight, it is PM. So last class we had learned this in the exercise. Now let us go for the exercise 12.1. Have you understood children what is anti-meridian and post-meridian? So midnight to noon, that is morning. So midnight to morning 12 o'clock, that is morning 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9 until 12 o'clock noon, it is AM. Afternoon, it is PM. So afternoon 12 o'clock 30 minutes, or 1 o'clock, afternoon 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, all these are PM till midnight. Understood children? So night 8 o'clock is PM. Morning 8 o'clock is AM. Understood? So night 8 o'clock is PM and morning 8 o'clock is AM. So now let us go for the exercise. B main, write the time 1 hour before. Okay children, so how to write it? If the time is 2 o'clock now, if the time is 2 o'clock now, 1 hour before, so before 1 hour will be 1 o'clock. Okay children, so the same way we are going to write the time 1 hour before. So B1, first one 7 o'clock 30 minutes AM. Okay, 7 o'clock 30 minutes. So in that before 1 hour, so 7 o'clock will become 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock 30 minutes. Here the minutes won't change children. So here it is only the hours will change, not the minutes. So here 7 o'clock 30 minutes. The 30 minutes will remain the same. Only the 7 o'clock 1 hour before will be 6. So 6 o'clock 30 minutes and AM, the same AM. So the time will be 1 hour before 7 o'clock, it will be 6 o'clock 30 minutes AM. Understood children? So 7 o'clock 30 minutes becomes 6 o'clock 30 minutes AM. And look at the second one. Okay. So 1 o'clock PM. So 1 o'clock PM. 1 o'clock PM is afternoon. So 1 o'clock afternoon. So before 1 o'clock it will be 12 o'clock. So let us look in this time children, clock children. So here if it is 12, 3, 9, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So if it is 1 o'clock, 1 hour before that is 12 o'clock, and the time they have mentioned as PM. PM means afternoon. So it becomes 12 noon. Before that, before 1 o'clock, it becomes 12 noon. It is 12 it is 12 noon. Okay children, now look at the third one. I am going to write below children. Look at the third one. 12 o'clock 30 minutes PM. PM is afternoon. So if it is 12 o'clock 30 minutes, the minutes won't change. So before 12 o'clock it will be 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock 30 minutes. Okay, so before 12 o'clock noon, it is 11 o'clock. So PM becomes AM. Understood children? So 12 o'clock noon has been changed to 12 o'clock 30 minutes PM. So before that 1 hour will be 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock 30 minutes. So still it is not noon. So it is AM. Okay. So third one, it is 11 o'clock 30 minutes AM. Understood, children? So fourth one, 12 o'clock 45 minutes AM. AM is 12 o'clock. AM is night, midnight. 12 o'clock 45 minutes AM. So before 12 o'clock again it becomes 11 o'clock. But here the AM will change to PM. So after midnight it is 11 o'clock, it becomes PM. So it will be fourth one, it will be 11 o'clock 45 minutes PM. Understood, children? So here it was AM at midnight 45 minutes, 12 o'clock 45 minutes. So before 12 o'clock it will be PM. So it is 11 o'clock 45 minutes PM. Fifth one, 4 o'clock 5 minutes PM. So 4 o'clock before 1 hour will be 3 o'clock 5 minutes, and the same AM and PM won't change here. It is the PM. 3 o'clock 5 minutes PM. Sixth one, 1 o'clock AM. 1 o'clock AM will be night, children. So after 12 o'clock, after midnight 12 o'clock, it will be 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock AM. So before 1 hour will be 12 o'clock, and AM is night. So night 12 o'clock will be midnight 12. Okay. So sixth one, it will be 12 o'clock midnight. Understood, children? It will be 12 o'clock midnight. So 1 o'clock PM changed to 12 o'clock noon, and 1 o'clock AM changed to 12 o'clock midnight. Understood, children? Understood this B main? Copy down this. Now let us go for the C main. Write the time 1 hour after. Okay, write the time 1 hour after. So have you all completed this, children? Okay, so let us write it here. C main. Okay, 1 hour after. So first one is 1 o'clock 5 minutes PM. So 1 o'clock 5 minutes. So 1 hour after will be 1 hour will be added to it. So 1 hour after becomes 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock 5 minutes, and PM remains the same. So 1 o'clock 5 minutes becomes 2:05. 1:05 PM becomes 2:05 PM. Second one, 11:15 AM. So after adding one hour it becomes 12:15. So 12:15 after AM it becomes, after 12 it becomes PM. 11 becomes 12 and AM becomes PM. So 12:15 PM. So after 12 AM becomes PM or PM becomes AM. So here it is 11:15 AM. So after 12 AM becomes PM. So 12:15 PM. Third one, 6 AM. So if we add 1 hour for it becomes 7 AM. Okay, children. So fourth one, 11 PM. So PM is after noon, that is night, 11 o'clock. So when we add 1 hour for it, so 11 becomes 12. 12, it is PM becomes midnight. So 12 midnight. Understood, children? So exactly if it is 12, we can write it as 12 noon or 12 midnight. So if it is 12:15 or 12:05, so you can write 12:05 a.m. Okay, children? So midnight, after midnight, 12:05, you can write it as 12:05 a.m. But here it is exactly 12, so you can mention it as 12 midnight. Here can we see here we have mentioned as 12 noon. Okay. So fifth one, 9:30 p.m. So if we add 1 hour for 9, it becomes 10. So it is 10:30 p.m. Sixth one, 7:40 a.m. So 7, if we add 1, it becomes 8:40 a.m. Understood, children? How to, here in the B main we have what is the time before a hour, and here in the C main, and we are going to write the time 1 hour after the time what they have given. Have you all finished it, children? Now let us learn reading the time in 24 hours. So how to read the time in 24 hours? Look here, children. If it is okay, so what is the time here? 1 o'clock 30 minutes a.m. So how to write this in 24 hours? We write it as 0130. Can you see here? It is 0130. So first two numbers will be hours, and next two numbers will be minutes. Okay, children? So we read it as 1:30. Okay, children? So we read it as 1:30. First two numbers will be hours and next two numbers will be minutes. Okay, children? So if it is 1730, it is 17:30. How do we read it? 17:30. 17 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so 17 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so how to understand this 17 hours and 30 minutes? So we can understand by changing. Okay, changing 12 hours to 24 hours. So how to change 12 hours to 24 hours? Okay, children. So if it is okay, so if it is 12 hours, if it is 1 a.m. Okay, children, if it is 1 a.m. in 24 hours, we write it as the same 0100. Understood, children? Here 1 o'clock will be 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, if it is 2 a.m., it will be 2 hours. 02. Okay, children? So 1 o'clock a.m. will be 1 hour. 2 o'clock a.m. will be 2 hours, and 3 o'clock a.m. will be 3 hours. 4 o'clock a.m. will be 4 hours. 5 o'clock a.m. will be 5 hours, and there will be no change till 12 noon. It will be 12 hours. Okay, children? 12 noon will be 12 hours. Only if it changes to p.m. If it is 1 p.m. Okay, children? So in a.m. from 1 o'clock, if it is 1 a.m., it is 1 hour. 2 a.m., 2 hours. 3 a.m., 3 hours. 12 noon, it is 12 hours. Only if it is p.m. Okay, children, only if it is p.m. So what we are going to do is 1. What is the time here? 1 plus 12. Okay, so we are going to add 12 to make it into 24 hours. Understood, children? So 1 plus 12 will be 13. Okay, so if it is p.m., that is changing from 12 to 24. Changing from 12 to 24, if it is PM, we are going to add 12 for it. So 1 plus 12 will be 13. So it is 13 hours. So if it is 2 PM, 2 plus 12 is 14. So 14 hours. If it is 3 PM, 3 plus 12 will be 15 hours. Understood, children? So it continues the same. So 4 PM, 4 plus 12. 5 PM, 5 plus 12. If it is 11 PM, so it will be 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12 is 23. Understood, children? So when we are changing from 12 hours to 24 hours in AM, that is from 1 o'clock, 1 AM will be 1 hour, 2 AM, 2 hour, 3 AM, 3 hour. There is no changes till 12 noon. 12 noon will be 12 hour. Only if it is 1 PM. 1 PM, we are going to add 12 for it. If it is 1 PM plus 12, 1 plus 12 will be 13, 13 hours. 2 PM, 2 plus 12, 14. 3 PM, 3 plus 12, 15. 11 PM, 11 plus 12, 23. So 23 hours. Understood? So if it is, okay, this is changing from 12 hours to 24 hours. Okay, so what happens if it is 12 o'clock 30 minutes AM? Okay, so 12 o'clock 30 minutes AM. Do I write, it is AM, it is AM. Do I write 12:30? No, it is, if it is AM, that is if it is 12 o'clock AM, that is 12 o'clock 1 minute or 12 o'clock 2 minutes or till 12 o'clock 59 minutes AM, we have to subtract 12. We have to subtract 12. Okay, so 12 o'clock 30 minutes, if we subtract 12 hours, it becomes 12 minus 12 will be 0, and this minutes won't change. So 0030. Understood, children? In AM, that is changing from hours to 12 hours to 25 hours. From 1 o'clock to 12 noon, no changes. And from in PM, 1 PM or 2 PM, we are going to add 12. Okay, so 1 PM, 1 plus 12, 13. 2 plus 12, 2 PM, 2 plus 12, 14. Understood? Till 11. Okay, children? So, and here in AM, if it is 12:30 AM, 12:30, and in hours if it is 12, we are going to subtract 12. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. So minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Understood, children? Okay. So now let us, if we are changing 24 hours to 12 hours, how do we write it as 24 hours? 0100. So we write in 4 numbers. So first two numbers will be hours. So it is 1 hour 00 and it is AM. AM. Okay, children. So till if it is 02, it is 2 o'clock 2 AM. Okay, children, 2 AM. And if it is 03, it is 3 AM. And it continues till 12. If it is 12, if it is 12 noon, it is, sorry, if it is 12:00, it is 12 noon. Okay, so only it changes if it is 13 hours. If it is 13 hours, can you see here 13? do we have 13 hour? No. So if it is 13, okay, till 12, still from 1 to 12, there is no change. So if it is 1 hour, 1 a.m. It will be a.m. 1 hour, 1 a.m. 2 hour, 2 a.m. 3 hour, 3 a.m. Till 12, it is 12 noon. If it is 13, from 13, if it is 13, we have to subtract it. 13 minus 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. So, 1 p.m. Okay, 13 is p.m. 13 minus 12 is 1 p.m. If it is 14 hours, so 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. So, it is 2 p.m. and it continues the same till 23. 23. If it is 23 hours, it will be 23 minus 12. It will be 11. Okay. So, it is 11 p.m. Understood, children? So, here if we are changing from 24 hours to 12 hours, till 12 there is no change, it will be a.m. So 1 hour, 1 a.m. 2 hours, 2 a.m. 12 hours, 12 noon. And only if it is 13 or more than that, 13, 14, 15 or 16, we have to subtract 12. So 13 minus 12, 1. 14 minus 12, 2. 15 minus 12, 3. 3 p.m. Here if we subtract, it is p.m. Understood, children? So, what do we write here? Okay, so here, if it is before this, if it is 590034, if it is 0, in hours, if it is 0, then we are going to add 12. Okay, in hours, if it is 00, then we are going to add 12. So, it is 12:34 a.m. But here, if it is 12, changing from 24 hours to 25 hours, if it is 12, we are going to subtract and get 30. Here, if it is 00, then we are going to add 12. So, it will be 12:34. 12 o'clock, 34 minutes. Understood, children? So, in changing 24 hours to 12 hours to 24 hours, from 1 to 12, there is no change. So, 1 a.m. will be 1 hour, 2 a.m. 2 hour in a.m. If it is p.m., we are going to add 12. If it is p.m., we are going to add 12 for it. Okay, so only if it is 12 a.m., then we are going to subtract 12. Okay, children. So in a.m., no change. Okay, children. In a.m., there is no change as it is 1 a.m., 1 hour, 2 a.m., 2 hour. If it is p.m., we are going to add 12. That is 12 hours to 24 hours. If it is 12:30 a.m., then we are going to subtract 12. And when we are changing from 24 hours to 12 hours, here if it is 1 to 12, 1 to 12, no change. There is no change. If it is 13 to 23 minus 12. Okay, children. So here it is plus 12, but if it is more than 13, here it is minus 12. And here if it is 0 in hours, if it is 0, here again plus 12. Understood this, children? Once again, we are changing from 12 to 24 hours. 12 hours to 24 hours in AM till 12 noon, no change. Only in PM, if it is PM, we are going to add 12. And here, if it is 12 AM, it is minus 12. And if we are changing from 24 hours to 12 hours, again from 1 to 12, there is no change. And from 13 to 23, minus 12. Okay, so 13 to 23, minus 12. And if it is 0 over here, we are going to add 12 over here. Understood this, children? So it is given in the textbook. So it is given in the textbook, page number 181. Go through it. Tomorrow we are going to do the exercise. Understood? Okay, children. Hurry up. Okay, children. Now let us go for the exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Okay, children. So A main, in the A main, okay, write the time using AM or PM. So they have given what is the time, whether it is morning or night or afternoon. Using that, we have to write the time using AM or PM. Look at the first one. First one, 5 o'clock 25 minutes in the morning. So morning is AM. So 5 o'clock 25 minutes, it is AM. Okay, so we are going to write 5 o'clock 25 minutes AM. So morning is AM. Look at the second one. Okay. Second one, children. 2 o'clock 20 minutes in the afternoon. 2 o'clock 20 minutes in the afternoon. So till noon 12 o'clock it is AM. So after noon it is PM. So 2 o'clock 20 minutes it is afternoon. So it is PM. So 2 o'clock 20 minutes PM. Okay, children. So morning 5 o'clock 25 minutes is AM and afternoon 2 o'clock 20 minutes it is PM. Third one, 12 o'clock 30 minutes at night. Okay, so night till 12 o'clock it is PM. So after 12 o'clock, that is night, midnight, after 12 o'clock it is AM. Okay, children. So night 12 o'clock 30 minutes it is AM. Okay. Fourth one, 10 o'clock 5 minutes in the morning. So 10 o'clock 5 minutes morning is AM. So 10 o'clock 5 minutes is AM. Fifth one, 6 o'clock 15 minutes in the evening. Evening is, that is afternoon is, it is PM. So 6 o'clock 15 minutes in the evening is PM. So it is 6:15 PM. So 6:15 PM. Sixth one, 3 o'clock 10 minutes at night. So night 3 o'clock is, so after 12 o'clock night, whatever it is, 1 o'clock night, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock night, it is AM. So 3 o'clock 10 minutes at night is AM. So 3 o'clock 10 minutes AM. Copy down this in your textbook, children, and write neatly. Okay. So 5 o'clock 25 minutes morning is AM. So 5 o'clock 25 minutes morning is AM. Second one, 2 o'clock 20 minutes in the afternoon. Afternoon is PM. So that is 2:20 PM. Third one, it is night 12 o'clock 30 minutes. So that is AM. 12:30 AM. And fourth one, 10 o'clock 5 minutes in the morning. Morning is AM. So that is 10 o'clock 5 minutes AM. Fifth one, 6 o'clock 15 minutes in the evening. Evening is PM. So the time is 6:15 PM. Sixth one, night 3 o'clock 10 minutes. So in the night after midnight 12 o'clock it is AM. So the time is 3:10 AM. Understood AM and PM, no, children? Now let us go for the B main. In the B main, write the time 1 hour half after. Sorry. B